Okay, Scott, here's a different one on how to change the RAM. Usually a smaller panel on the bottom. There they are. They always have metal clips on each side that hold them in. You pry them apart and they pop up. Pry them apart, it pops up in there. And when they have a notch that's real close to the edge, that's older technology, DDR2. Some are DDR3, which have a notch that's almost in the middle. Putting them back in, you just push this way, push down, and they clip in. Push here, push down, and they clip in. And that's it for replacing memory modules. A $29 charge.